Hi, I'm Tammy and I do math for coffee, and today we are going to do this exponent problem. We have 2y times the quantity 2x cubed y to the fourth, but that quantity is all being raised to the second power. So there's a rule that tells us if you're taking something in parentheses and you're raising everything in that group to the same power, then you multiply the exponents. This is a power of a power rule. And when you're doing a power up like that, you multiply. So what we're going to do here is recopy everything. And I would normally do this in my head, but I'm showing you what I'm doing. The 2y stays the same because it's on the outside of the group. It is not being squared. Everything inside is being squared, including the constant 2. So 2 by itself is 2 to the first power. We're going to multiply that times 2. X cubed, x to the third power times 2. And y to the fourth power, where the fourth power is also times 2. Doing all those little multiplications, we have 2y in the front. This would be 2 to the 2, because 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And 4 times 2 is 8. This is what we have after we've raised everything to the second power. We're not done yet. 2 squared, we can rewrite that as a 4, so we just have one less thing with an exponent in it. Get a little more room here. I'm going to rewrite and rearrange. What I did here is I pulled the 4 out to the front to be with the 2. What I have here is all these things are being multiplied together. So we have 2 times 4, which that part will be easy to get. We know that's going to be 8 in the next line. But we also have these y's. Now this is not a power situation. This is where you have two things multiplied together that have the same base. What do you do with the exponents? We have a different rule for that. When you have that happening, a to the m times a to the n, we actually add the exponents. You have to think about it. I have 8 y's multiplied together here, and I'm going to multiply that times one more y. That would mean you'd have 9 y's, right? Correct. 8 plus 1, and we end up with 8 x to the 6th, y to the 9th. We didn't have to do anything with x to the 6th. There wasn't another term. It was just the y's that had a couple terms there. And obviously, 2 times 4 is 8. If you have any questions on this, leave it down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!